Hello Teresia, I hope you will enjoy our interview. Toys has a deep product range in toys, and its hypermarket Toys R Us is divided into divisions. BR Light Toy has a club BR, and it's a smaller shop. In this shop there is much more service, and it's Toys R Us there is self-service. BR Light Toy has many shops where Toys R Us has lesser.
I would like to work for Top Toy because of the money. I could use the discounts on the toys. I have siblings which are good to destroy their toys, but they both love to play with it.
I would like to work for Top Toy because I like kids and I loved toys when I was kid. And I still like to see the new technology for toys nowadays.
I would like to work for Top Toy because of the teamwork. I like to be social and help others. I would like to work for Top Toy because of the money. I really need the money because I have an expensive home.
Toy is a small but very busy shop. In the summer there will come new products 2 times a week, and from November to December there will come products home every day. Therefore we need Christmas help in the busy season. I think it's important that all works harder. The product needs to be put on the right place. We have a planogram to follow up the plans on where each product should be at. And we shall have time for helping customers for questioning.
As an employee of BR Toy, I will reach a lot of things. I must pack out the new products and put them in the right place. Besides that, the shop must be nice and clean. Our customers should also have a good service and a lot of guidance and so persist. In BR Toy, it is important that you have a good teamwork. We have a lot of stressful days, and when all employee runs around to fill up, it is important that you can keep each other out. You're looking for excitement, so try the new Atlanta scooter. Durable aluminium, suitable for the wildest tricks. You've never seen so perfect a scooter before. Make your friends envious and purchase Atlanta Umbrella already today. Available only in BR and Toys R Us. The price is only 300 crowns. Here are the new Christmas Barbie doll. There are 4 different kinds of clothes, hairbrush and shoes. With the price follows a big house, car, horses and swimming pool. The choice is for age from 5 to 12 years from Top Toy. My favorite toy was a Barbie doll. I got it from my mom for Christmas and it was purchased in BR. My favorite because it was very funny. It had a stomach made of rubber so it could bend. I lost it when I was too old to find it interesting. It was therefore given to my cousin who was really happy with it. If it were sold today, it would recur some good commercials on television. Barbie is in fact gone out of fashion, so it would be difficult to get them sold.
My favorite toy was my Pokemon cards. I got some for Christmas and then I bought later on as well. I have bought some in the BR Toys and Toys R Us and various supermarkets. These cards were my favorite toys when they created a lot of fun. You could swap cards with friends and compete. I gave my entire collection to my brother when I lost interest. These cards would be no market for today as they have gone out of fashion. Ripe is after the toy began to require technology that employed children longer period of the time.
My favorite toy was a horse from Slice. I bought it in Leikhed. I have a larger collection of horses from the same brand. This horse was my favorite when it looked like my own real horse. I still have this horse and the rest of my collection, but they are now packed down. They are still in the shops today. They are used by both boys and girls. Every farm has also horses together with other animals, but you can also play with the horses alone. My favorite toy was a teddy. I got it from my aunt when I was born. I like this teddy because it means very much to me, even when I still have my teddy in my bed. I sleep with my teddy every night. It makes me
If you should sell it today, it will be bought by boys and girls in the age 1.
My name is Jonas. I'm the boss of the Top Toy in Roskilde.
Hey, my name is Malene.
Thank you for coming, Malene.
You're welcome.
As you see, we are now in front of the statue of Absalon, which I will tell you a little about.
I will look forward to.
Absalon was a Danish honorary bishop. He was born in Fjenneslev. He was the foster brother of Valdemar I and brother of Esben Skjær. He was born in 1128 and died in 1201. Absalon was the influential white people. His father was called Asser Rig and the mother was called Inger Eriksdal. His father was one of the nation's richest men and his mother was the daughter of the Swedish king Erik the Holy. Absalon was bishop of Roskilde in 1158. His brother Valdemar was also king of the country.
Interesting. How did he die?
He was buried in Sorø Monastery Church. His body was placed in a lead of coffin, which was set in a brick tomb at that time a more attractive place. Absalon's tombstone, however, were first erected in 1536, several hundred years after his death.
Exciting.